Let's go to the URL https://audiotrimmer.com/volume booster. Here you want to create a new folder with the audio files that you want to boost the volume on. So go to File Explorer, click on Browse, navigate to the audio folder just mentioned, and select the audio file that you want to increase the volume for. So here we have 21.m4a. We go over to the loudness and select how much to increase the volume with the pull-down menu. We have mild, moderate, high, and extreme. I usually use high. Click the Boost Volume button, open File Explorer, go to Downloads. Once you have that open, click on the blue download button on the left, right here. And this will keep the save file, and there's the audio trimmer is in the file name, which is fine, but they want you to keep coming back to it. So cut that, and you want to put it back in your audio folder. The thing is, you don't want it to be confused with the earlier audio files. So what you do is create a folder called Old and put your earlier 21 audio file there. That way you can keep it, you don't delete it. So you can always rename that file name to take out the audio trimmer if you want. Now if you want to do it again, click on Volume Booster link again, go to Browse, select the second file. You can select any type you want. You want mild, you can do that. Go to Boost Volume. And the same thing, you repeat the process over and over. There are no catches to this product. You don't have to install anything, and it works really well. Let's say that you boosted your file to high and it's still too low, then you could boost your already processed file again with medium, and that might be enough. You could even do it 3 times if you wanted. Just ensure that the volume is correct at the end by listening to it. So I love this product and I use it. I've already used it at least a few times. Actually more than a few times. But it's wonderful if you have some low volume audio files, and it works really well. We're just doing it again. This is listening to it.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss out on future content.
Have you ever had any audio files that you wanted to boost the volume on? Here are the supported formats: MP3, WAV, WMA, OGG, M4R, M4A, AAC, FLAC, AIF. Audio Volume Booster is a free online tool that lets you increase the loudness of your audio files without installing complicated software on your device. It really works, and it's really free. It's a wonderful product. If you liked what you see, hit the subscribe button or share. Thank you. This has been EmersusTech.